Hello, and welcome to Storyboard That. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Bell Ringer worksheet using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now first we are going to pick out a template that we like. So we have a lot of great options for having this fun activity to help start your day, but I think I'm going to go with this one. Just click the copy template button that's right below, and this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt us to give our template a name. Now you can name yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine template 1 and click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize our template. This is where we get to add items, characters, update the text, make any changes that we want to do. So first I would like to add an item. I like these bells, but let's see what other bell options we have. Now you can browse the items menu up here, go through all these great categories, but if there's a specific item that you want, you can search for it in the upper right hand search menu. So let's look up bells. Okay, we got a few options. This is the bells we already have, but we have this Liberty Bell here. So let's take this one. Just drag and drop it into your storyboard and we can update it. So we have how it currently is with a big crack in it, and we also have a pose of how it originally was. So let's go with the original version and let's update those colors a little bit. All right, I think that looks good. Click update pose when you're done. And there is our new bell. So let's just put this over here and make it a little bit smaller. Now you can move your items and your characters anywhere you want in your storyboard, as well as resize them. All you have to do is drag the corner of the image, and there we go. All right, now next is characters. I'd like to add a historical character, so let's search for one. Go up to our characters menu. I'm going to go through the 16 and 1800s. And let's pull down this Benjamin Franklin character. So just like our item, just drag and drop it into your storyboard. And with your character in place, just go to your right hand menu and click Edit Pose. And now we get to customize. This is where we get to update facial expressions, poses, colors, any changes that you want to make. Now when you're all done updating your character, just click Update Pose. And there we go. Alright, I think this is pretty good, but I'd like this character to be a little bit larger. Alright, great. Now next is background. Now with the template like this, we have all these large blocks filling up their space. So we don't have a background color that is built into the original template. So let's add our own. If we go up to our scenes menu, let's just go over to patterns and pull down a simple solid color. Alright, we have all these great options, but let's pull down this green. Alright, now that we have our scene in our storyboard, let's go to our right hand menu and click Stretch to Fill. Alright, let's go with non-proportional. This way, this fills the entire frame so we don't have to stretch our scene manually, which makes it very easy. When you're all set, just click OK. And now we have our scene in place. But it's in front of everything, so let's send it all the way to the back of our template. Just go to your layers and click Send to Back, and there we go. Alright, now I think this color is a little too strong. I like the green, but I want it to be lighter. So with your item selected, you can select any one of these pre-selected colors, or you can go to this box here on the right and customize your own color. Let's go with a much lighter green. Bring that back. Alright, I think that's good. When you have the color that you like, just click Choose, and there we go. Alright, now last but not least is text. Now you can customize and edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is click on it and you can put in your own words. Now Daily Bell Ringer is pretty good, but let's change it just a little bit. Let's call it Bell Ringer Worksheet. Alright, now if I want to change the text or the font, all I have to do is highlight what I want to change and go over to our text editor. So let's select a new font. Alright, this feels pretty appropriate for the time period. Looks nice, but it's a little small, so I want to bring that up just a tiny bit. So go over to your text editor again, and let's select a new font size. Alright, let's see how 54 looks. It might be a little too big, but we'll find out. Okay, it's a little big, so let's make our text box a little bit bigger. If we bring this all the way to the front, I can now just stretch this out. And if you'll notice on our text box, we have a few points here, as well as these gray dots right in the middle. This lets you know that you can actually stretch this out All right, I think that looks pretty good, but it's covering everybody up, so let's send it to the back again. Send it all the way to the back, and then we're going to bring it forward one so it's in front of our background layer. All right. Now, when you're all done making the edits to your template, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And that is how you make a Bell Ringer template using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching, and happy storyboarding.